In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for market research. This powerful tool can save you hours of work and streamline your research process. Whether you're diving into a new industry, comparing competitors, or constructing a customer survey, ChatGPT can help you find your way, move faster, and think more strategically. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software and AI guides. Now, let's dive in. To start with, you'll want to open ChatGPT and begin a new chat. Here's the key. Instead of asking a vague question like, "What is this market about?" you'll need to guide ChatGPT with a clear and structured research task. This will ensure you get the most relevant and useful output. As of 2026, ChatGPT performs best if you provide it with a specific role, target industry, region, and the exact type of insight you require. For instance, you could say, provide a comprehensive research brief on the cannabis industry in Canada. Include market size, 2026 growth trends, and information on the top 5 competitors along with their estimated market shares. That's a solid starting point for exploring your chosen market. You might also consider swapping in your own niche, such as fitness apps, eco-friendly packaging, B2B software, or local retail, depending on your area of interest. Once you've received that initial overview from ChatGPT, don't stop there. Use this output as a foundation to dig deeper, especially into competitor analysis. This part is critical for understanding how businesses position themselves in the market. A great strategy is to paste in a competitor's website URL, a product page, or even a relevant article about that company, and then ask ChatGPT to analyze the competitive positioning of one competitor compared to another. You could prompt it to create a table comparing their core value propositions, target demographics, and pricing strategies. This not only simplifies the analysis, but also helps you visualize how each brand stands out, what differentiates them, and where the opportunities or gaps in the market might be. If you're in the process of building a business, launching a product, or generating content, these insights can be incredibly valuable. Following that, you can also use ChatGPT for survey and instrument design. This feature is particularly handy if you're aiming to conduct primary research, meaning you want feedback directly from your target audience or potential customers. Instead of manually writing every question from scratch, which can be time-consuming, you can simply ask ChatGPT to design a complete questionnaire for you. You might say, design a 10-question consumer survey for a new product type. Include skip logic, such as if they answer no to question 2, move to question 5. Format this for easy import into Typeform or SurveyMonkey. This gives you a professional survey structure that you can quickly modify and deploy, which is a huge time saver. Additionally, don't hesitate to refine the tone and purpose of your survey. You can ask ChatGPT to adjust the questions to be more casual, more analytical, or more conversion-focused based on your audience's preferences. This flexibility is what makes ChatGPT a powerful tool for both qualitative and quantitative research. A very important note, when using ChatGPT, remember to avoid sharing any sensitive data. This means not uploading proprietary financial records, private customer information, or personally identifiable information, unless you're operating in a secure enterprise environment with data training turned off. Keeping your company and customer data safe is crucial. A wise strategy is to utilize ChatGPT for analysis, structuring, and summarization while keeping any sensitive source material out of the conversation. To get the best results, be specific in your requests and don't shy away from iterating on your prompts. Treat ChatGPT like a diligent research assistant. Ask follow-up questions, request tables, seek summaries, and ask for sources or assumptions as needed. The more context and clarity you provide, the better the outputs tend to be. So, to recap, first, use ChatGPT for market exploration and broad